Did you know that 80% of all social media videos are watched without sound? If your video doesn't grab attention visually, you're already losing most of your audience. That's why repurposing long-form videos for social media is more than just cutting clips. It's about creating bite-sized, eye-catching content that stops the scroll, hooks your viewers, and drives them to take action. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step so your videos aren't just watched, but remembered. Before we get started, if you want to take these tips even further, we've got a free guide waiting for you on how to build a video sales funnel that converts. It's packed with strategies to help you repurpose content and maximize your results. Just grab it using the link below. And now, let's get started. Let's get one thing clear. Repurposing long-form content isn't about randomly trimming 30-second clips and hoping they perform. Sure, trimming can work if done thoughtfully, but it requires more than just guesswork. You need to pick moments that flow naturally and deliver value without needing extra explanation. You need to find those golden moments. What makes a clip golden? Simple. It should pack an emotional punch, provide instant value, and spark curiosity or leave the viewer thinking, I want more. Let's say you're repurposing a 20-minute tutorial or podcast. Don't just skim and grab random segments. Instead, look for key moments like a surprising or bold statement, a quick tip or a piece of actionable advice, a problem being solved on the spot, or a relatable or funny story. And here's the pro tip. While recording or editing your long-form video, keep mental or physical notes of standout moments. Did someone laugh, react emotionally, share a jaw-dropping fact? Those are the clips that deserve your attention. Once you've found a solid moment, make sure that the clip can stand alone. It should feel complete with a clear beginning and end, no awkward cutoffs or half-finished thoughts. And don't forget, depending on the purpose of your clip, you can add a short CTA to make it more powerful. For example, if the clip teases an important idea, add a CTA encouraging viewers to watch the full video on your YouTube channel. If it gives quick, actionable advice, direct them to download a related free resource. Or if the clip highlights your product in action, guide them to the purchase link. Repurposing is more than just cutting clips. It's about using them strategically to guide your audience to the next step. Here's the thing. What works on YouTube doesn't always fly on TikTok, and what grabs attention on Instagram might fall flat on LinkedIn. To make your clips thrive, you need to tailor them to each platform's unique vibe and audience expectations. Let's break it down. On platforms like Instagram and TikTok, you've got about 3 seconds to stop the scroll. That's it. If you miss that window, your clip's a goner. Here's how to make it work. Start with a strong visual or surprising statement. Think of it as a mini hook within the first few seconds. Keep the pace fast and don't be afraid to use jump cuts and snappy edits. Add bold captions or on-screen text because many people watch without sound. Aim for 15 to 30 seconds unless the content is super engaging. For example, if you are repurposing a long-form Q&A session, grab a short, intriguing answer to a common question like, what's the #1 mistake businesses make in video marketing? I'll tell you, and then insert your teaser statement right here. Hook them, drop a quick solution, and then close with a CTA inviting them to watch the full video. Vertical format 9:16 ratio is non-negotiable. This is the native aspect ratio, and anything else will likely feel awkward or cropped. Don't be afraid to use playful overlays, text effects, and stickers to capture attention. YouTube Shorts are like bite-sized appetizers that leave viewers wanting the main course. But unlike TikTok, YouTube is often where viewers seek value-driven, slightly longer clips. Here's how to make it work here. Tease a key takeaway or piece of advice, but leave them curious about the full video. Include quick, clear takeaways like 3 tips to improve your video thumbnails. Works well here. You can go slightly longer, up to 60 seconds or even longer, but make sure that every second counts. Now here's a good approach. Turn an insightful statement from your main video into a short video clip. If the long-form video has 10 tips, give them 1 in the short and direct them to the full video for the rest. Vertical format 9:16 ratio works best here too. Shorts are meant to be mobile-friendly, so stick with concise storytelling and bold visuals that pop on smaller screens. On LinkedIn, flashy edits and jump cuts aren't the stars of the show. Here, people want thought leadership and professional value. Here's what works. Repurpose clips that showcase expert insights, stats, and meaningful stories. Start with a headline or question that sparks curiosity, or highlight a problem like, why do 80% of marketing videos fail to convert? Here's what to do differently. Keep it professional, but don't be afraid to sprinkle in personality or humor if it fits your brand. And here's a crucial difference. While TikTok clips thrive on short bursts of energy, LinkedIn viewers are willing to invest a little more time. Aim for 30 to 60 seconds, but focus on delivering tangible takeaways quickly. While LinkedIn's feed supports multiple formats, horizontal 16:9 ratio or square 1:1 ratio formats work best for a professional, polished look. Square format can be highly effective since it takes up more space on mobile feeds. Stories are your chance to be real, raw, and engaging. Unlike polished reels or LinkedIn posts, stories thrive on behind-the-scenes moments and quick updates. Repurpose clips that feel personal and conversational. For example, a clip showing you setting up your video shoot or sharing a quick tip with minimal editing. Don't be afraid to talk directly to the camera. The more authentic, the better. Add interactive elements like polls and questions to boost engagement. Vertical format 9:16 ratio is ideal for stories as they're designed for mobile-first viewing. Use stickers, GIFs, and quick text overlays to enhance engagement, but don't overdo it. Stories work best when they feel casual. Don't forget to preview your clips before posting. What looks great on YouTube might need some tweaking for Instagram or TikTok. Think of repurposing like customizing a suit. The fabric, your content, stays the same, but the cut, fit, and style need to be tailored for the occasion. It's all about knowing which clip fits where and how to tweak it for maximum impact. And if you're ready to unlock even more powerful strategies, download our free ultimate guide, How to Build a Video Sales Funnel That Converts. Inside, you'll find platform-specific tips, advanced repurposing techniques, and CTAs that actually drive conversions. Don't miss it, the link is in the description below. Just posting a clip isn't enough. You want to maximize its impact to get the most out of every view, click, and comment. Here's where many people drop the ball. They create great content but forget to tell the audience what to do next. Every clip should have a purpose, whether it's driving traffic to your website, encouraging engagement, or promoting your full video. Your CTAs don't need to be aggressive, just be clear and compelling. Here are a few examples. Want to dive deeper? Watch the full video on our YouTube channel. For more tips like this, follow us here and download our free guide. Let us know in the comments what's your go-to strategy for repurposing content. Just like any part of your marketing strategy, repurposing content is a learning process. Don't just post and forget. Analyze your clip's performance and adjust as needed. Pay attention to the following metrics. Watch time. Are people sticking around or dropping off halfway? Engagement. Are they liking, sharing, or commenting? Conversions. Are they clicking on your CTAs and taking action? The more you test and optimize, the better your repurposed content will perform. And don't be afraid to experiment. Sometimes a small tweak like changing the hook or the caption style can make a huge difference. Repurposing content isn't just about efficiency. It's about maximizing the lifespan and impact of every video you create. Now, before we wrap things up, don't forget to download our free guide. It's your go-to resource for creating and repurposing video content that consistently converts. You'll find it in the link below. And if you're ready to dive even deeper into making your video marketing unstoppable, don't miss our next video. It's about the psychology of high-converting video scripts and secrets to persuasion. It's the perfect follow-up to help you tell better stories and convert more viewers